very bad, awful, very cute, adorable, very small, tiny, very funny, hilarious, very cold, freezing, very ugly, hideous, very beautiful, gorgeous, very angry, furious. What can you say instead of very big? Let me know in the comment. Wink, grin, smirk, frown, shush, sneeze, vomit, zip your mouth, raise your eyebrow, blow a kiss. Do you know what is this emoji means? Comment down your opinion. A cup of, cuppa.
Fancy a cuppa?
Very much.
Right, cup of tea.
Isn't it? In it?
Control freak, innit?
Gareth, innit?
Toilet. Loo.
Lou!
Can I use your loo?
I have no money. I'm skint.
Jimmy was skint, huh?
I'm so skint right now.
Suspicious. Dodgy.
What, being dodgy?
Dodgy shoulder, maybe? Over here, over here.
Miss. Unmarried woman. Mrs. Married woman. Miss. All adult woman. Mr. All adult men.